Hey everyone, it's Allye with Jeff Belzers, and today I am standing here on the show floor at our Lakeville Dodge Ram store, and we're going to be checking out the 2026 Dodge Charger 6-pack. If you're into powerful muscle cars, stick around as we walk through different trim levels, interior and exterior highlights, performance, technology, and so much more. With the MSRP starting at $51,995, the 2026 Dodge Charger is available in 2-door and 4-door configurations for the 6-pack model. Trim options include RT, RT Plus, Scat Pack, Scat Pack Plus, Daytona Scat Pack, and Daytona Scat Pack Plus. Now let's pop the hood and talk power. Here we have a 3-liter twin-turbo 6-pack engine. This engine produces 550 horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque. It'll go 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds, and it goes a quarter mile in 12.2 seconds. On the outside, the 2026 Dodge Charger looks every bit as powerful as it drives. The Scat Pack Plus sits on a wide-body frame, giving it a bold, planted look. Now let's move on to the interior. We're here inside the 2026 Dodge Charger 6-pack, and they've completely reimagined this cabin to be more driver-centric. So let's talk first about these seats. We have a leatherette seat here in this Scat Pack Plus. These are heated and ventilated, so they're very, very nice. And we have this nice flat top and bottom steering wheel, leatherette wrapped. And the screens in here are massive. We have a 10.25 inch for the driver and a 12.3 for your infotainment system. I also love that they included a few of your climate control buttons here underneath the screen for easy access. And underneath here we have a couple of vents. Underneath there we have some more hard buttons for your parking sensors and a couple other things, as well as 2 USB-C. We've got some storage and a wireless charger here. A nice real gear shifter here in the middle. We love to see that. 2 cup holders. And this is actually how you start the car with this button. Obviously you have to push the brake and then push the button, but it's over here behind the shifter. Our parking brake, and then we have this interesting middle console that opens up to the driver. If you wanted to throw maybe your wallet and phone in there, that would be the spot for that. It's not very large, but it will do the job in a pinch. And then we have this 12-volt charger here. Some other really cool features on this car are the attitude adjustment lighting that goes around the entire cockpit here and even on the doors, and you can change this. We've done a video about this on the EV charger, but you can change the colors of this by going into your infotainment system. So all you have to do is click vehicle, attitude adjustment, and then you can make it brighter or softer, and then you can change the color. It kind of gives you a preview, and then it'll change it. Something else that I love about this car is that they have really taken different textures into the different areas of the car, like up here on the dash and over here on the door. You can see that these are raised lines that just give it a different dimension. An option that you can put onto your Scat Pack is this fixed glass sunroof, and while it doesn't open, it does allow you to get that wonderful vitamin D that we need here in these Minnesota winter months. Getting to the back seat of this 6-pack Charger is a breeze. They use the same technology that they did on the EV, so all you have to do is pull this lever up, push it forward, and it does all of the electronic moving of this seat by itself. So now all you have to do is just step in here and take a seat in these comfortable seats. They're actually very wide back here. I've got a lot of leg room. And we have lower tether anchors on the outboard seats for any car seats that you might want to install. We also have heated seats back here for these 2 outboard seats as well, which is really nice on this trim level. Behind this middle console, we have your controls and 2 USB-C ports, plus we have your vents for your passengers. Now let's head to the trunk. We're here at the back of this 2026 Dodge Charger 6-pack. And something that I love that they did on this is that they put this hatch button to open up the trunk right here. It blends in with the design, but it's super easily accessible. So you're not fishing around for a button underneath here. Super easy to use. This Charger has some crazy storage space. So it has 38.5 cubic feet of storage space, which is 133% larger than the previous model year. For those of us who don't speak in cubic feet, it's about 44 inches deep and 42 inches wide. So you're gonna be able to fit a lot of stuff back there. I think I could even fit my whole double stroller, so that's saying something. There's also a little bit of storage underneath here, but this is mainly just for your spare tire kit and everything like that. If you want to check out any of our 2026 Dodge Charger lineup, whether it be EV or gas, make sure to stop by any one of our 3 locations in Roseville, Lakeville, or New Prague so you can take one for a spin yourself. Make sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.